In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Spell Echo here in Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Spell Echo is obtained from the Great Mage boss here on Easter Island, so go ahead and make your way over to Easter Island first, and to get it, you need to farm these bunny NPCs that I'm currently farming for Easter eggs. Once you have a decent amount of Easter eggs, what you're going to want to do is convert them into Easter keys, and you can also get Easter keys just by farming this, so you don't have to do this next part, but essentially what I'd recommend doing is doing the quest from this guy over here, because once you do complete the 7 hidden Easter egg quest, you can convert those eggs into Easter keys, and then you can use those keys over here to spawn the Great Mage boss, and you just want to keep farming this boss right here until you get Spell Echo. Once you have it, go to the upgrade or crafting system tied with the Great Mage rewards, and you can go ahead and get yourself the Great Mage after getting all these other materials as well. You're going to need multiple spell echoes for higher tier upgrades, so keep farming that boss, but that is it. Keep farming that boss and you'll be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.